want to talk to you next about the T-bills auction for last Friday, and news that interest rates fell again as the T-bills were oversubscribed by about 40% to the tune of 3.89 billion cedis. Now, according to the auction results by the Bank of Ghana, the bids for the 91-day bill were far more higher than expected, or the targeted amount. So on Zoom with us right now, Head of Trading at Republic Securities, Patrick Edem Agama, to talk more about it. So Patrick, give us a rundown from last Friday. Can you hear me, Patrick? All right, we've lost Patrick too. So let's see if we can get him back on the marketplace, but we can't have him right now. I don't know if we can do the Cocoa Board interview as well, but the Ghana Cocoa Board says it will continue to work with state security agencies to stop the smuggling of cocoa beans to Ghana's neighboring countries. We'll get on to that topic, but let's get you right back to the issues to do with the Treasury bills. Patrick Edem Agama joining us to give us a rundown on what happened last Friday. So we understand interest rates fell once again. Government secured an oversubscription of 40% on the 91-day bill. Tell us more.
Okay, good afternoon, Daryl, and everyone. So on last Friday, we saw a target of 2.78 billion being met, so again oversubscribed by 3.879 billion Ghana cedis. We can see that for the fourth consecutive time, the short end of the yield curve has dropped again, and we see the 91-day clearing at 18.53%, dropping by 147.09 basis points. The 182-day also cleared at 21.27, decreasing by 157.73 basis points. In all these subscriptions, we've seen that the 91-day recorded close to 74.9% of the total bids accepted, against 25.1% for the 182-day bill.
So the interest rates from somewhere around 35% to what I'm hearing right now, 20%. Do we expect the interest rates to continue to fall?
Yes, so far as we have this level of demand in the market, we expect it to fall. This week, for instance, the government is targeting collecting total of about 3.2 billion through the issuance of 182-day, 91-day, and 364-day. So we still expect the excess liquidity on the market to be channeled to these bills.
And well, the fear is that if interest rates continue to fall, then investors would lose interest and put their money somewhere. Is that something that you anticipate would happen?
Well, it depends on other economic indicators, like we have the policy rate and also the inflation. If they also follow the same trend, we expect investors to still keep having confidence in the bill. But if they do not follow the same trend and just this particular interest rate keep dropping, definitely it will reach a point where investors will not be able to accept decreased rates anymore.
All right, let's talk about the capital market, the stock market. We expect it to continue its good run this week. Tell us what was the outcome last week and what to expect this week as well.
Well, for last week, we saw 6 equities gaining and 1 losing. We saw Unilever, MTN, for Guinness Ghana Brewery Limited, New Gold ETF, and Total gaining some points. But we also saw Societe losing about 24 pesos to close at 66 pesos. For this week so far, we are already seeing demand mounting strongly for MTN, Bob, and Total. We expect this to continue for some time. And also we can also see that Societe is also building up in terms of the offer side. And that is also expected to happen for some time.
All right. Thank you, Patrick Edem Agama, Head of Trading Republic Securities. I appreciate your time.